A 20-foot shipping container has a floor area of 160 square feet, making it an ideal module to hoist in any backyard for a home office, an ADU unit, or a guest cabin. In this video, we bring to you a stunning getaway inside a 20-foot shipping container with big glazed openings and amazing industrial finishes in Monument, Colorado, United States. Welcome back. This getaway studio occupies a single 20-foot shipping container nestled on a hilltop about 10 minutes from the Pike National Forest, with endless hiking and mountain views. The container is elevated off the ground on a pier foundation to attain a vantage height for a frontal deck. The container is covered with a lean-to roof extending to the deck, which forms the entrance porch to the cabin. A double glass door slides open into a light-filled living space. The well-lit studio living space has a cozy leather couch with some throw pillows snugly fit between the bed and the kitchenette. The bright and compact galley kitchen is fully equipped with essential kitchen appliances, including under-the-counter cabinet storage, overhead storage shelving, and gorgeous wooden countertops, making this tiny house a flawless dwelling unit. The limited kitchen counter is complemented with a sink and additional storage space on the opposite side of the alley. On the far end of the living space is a super comfortable queen-sized bed that can comfortably sleep two. The bed snugly fits this corner space along the exposed corrugated container sidewall. This queen-size bed is up next to a big 5x5 glass window to bring in the amazing view of the mountains. The TV and the fireplace are at the foot of the bed to give you a home-like feel. The swivel flat-screen TV can be watched from both the lounge space and the comfort of the bed. The corrugated container ceiling is left exposed to infuse some industrial charm into the living room. In addition, the ceiling space is adorned with wooden timber crossbeams to add some warmth and character to the living space. The remaining indoor walls are lined with plasterboard throughout and painted white to create a feel of space. The most notable feature in this amazing cabin is how bright and well lit the interior space is. The living space is fitted with big glass windows and doors in all elevations, which floods the interior space of the cabin with adequate natural lighting, creating that feeling of a big indoor space. The cabin retains the original container plywood floors throughout, which creates a warm, welcoming feel with some industrial charm. Off the kitchen, a wide swing door opens into a stylish bathroom with a toilet, a wash hand basin, and a curtain shower stall lined with corrugated steel siding. The bathroom is installed with a heater and a big bathroom mirror with a nice reflection effect of a big space. The large covered deck at the front is the heartbeat of this amazing hideaway, doubling the amount of the living space by spilling it onto the outdoors. The deck offers a great place to relax with a cup of coffee, a nice place to catch up on some work, have a barbecue with late evening dinner as you soak in the amazing views of the mountain. The original container cargo doors were welded together to form a shutter on one end of the deck. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are painted black and they are visible throughout the exterior, creating a modern container cabin. This beautiful cabin is great for two and is listed as a guest house on Airbnb starting at $140 per night. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this hideaway appeals to you the most? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.